the fireplace. So here what I did was I turned off the other layers so I could just see the fireplace. You can see the fireplace was set right on top of the wall. You can see it in 3D over here. Now we're going to refine it in this section. So I go to section 1. One of the first things I want to do is I want to turn that wall. I'm going to tap until I get the wall, and I'm going to edit the profile of the wall. So what I like to do is actually get that edge and this edge and just simply split it first. Split this line and split this line and just chamfer the wall from there to there, there to there, here to here, and here to here. So essentially I have 2 walls. So that's taken care of. Now the fireplace wall just simply goes right across and it's just done properly. So here you can actually see where the fireplace wall is aligned with that edge, but it has its own surface separated from the wing wall. Now I'm going to go back to the cross section and modify the height of it based on the technicality of the fireplace. So I annotate with the construction line, detail line, and I draw a line from the tip. I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to come back here, detail line. I'm going to draw a line from the very edge across like this. And this code says from the closest height, 10 feet over, and I measure this distance. If it's more than 10 feet, if it's less than 10 feet, I'm okay. So if it's more than 10 feet, I'm fine. So this is 11 feet, so I'm in good shape. So now I simply go 2 feet above, so I'm going to offset 2 feet, 2 feet, right there. So my fireplace needs to be that size. So I'm just going to simply take it and just align it that way. Take the other ones, align it the same way. And I can zoom it closer so I can get it pretty aligned and not make a mistake. So here's my fireplace. I need to align this one as well. Pull it back down. And there it is. My fireplace is done. My glass wall is done. And I'm ready to present.